Hey, good morning, everybody. Rory Powers, Right Line Trading. This broadcast is for demonstration educational purposes only. It's important to know there is a significant, substantial, a lot of risk when you're trading these financial markets. You could lose your entire trading account. If you're not familiar with the risks associated with trading, please consult with a licensed financial advisor. It's important to know that I am not one of them. All right. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to July. It is Tuesday, July the 1st. If you're joining us today, that's the good news. Hallelujah. You're still in the game. Let's win it. Today on the Forex Factory. Good morning, everyone. I hope you had a nice evening. Let's take a look at the Forex Factory. At 9:30, we got some red folders. Fed Chair Powell. Speaking at 9:30. Well, that's a catalyst event, huh? Oh, that should be interesting. Then at 9:45, we have a yellow folder, the final manufacturing PMI. At 10 a.m., the JOLTS, the job openings, and the ISM manufacturing PMI. Wow, we got a real fireworks show today. We have a pre-4th of July fireworks show in the making. Very interesting. So govern yourselves accordingly. Got some big news reports coming out, and Jerome Powell is going to be speaking at 9:30. Good morning, Gambit. Good morning, Mark, Kershie, Judy, Tom, Duke, Rao. Rao's already up 750 on 3 accounts, trading crude oil. I was watching my gold bot. Man, my gold bot was on fire. Caught a huge long move in the middle of the night. It's on top of my leaderboard. Let's take a quick look-see. If today's your first day joining us, my name's Rory Powers with Right Line Trading, and we're going to be showcasing the AI Auto Trader. These are fully automated strategies. Once they're enabled, they will execute and manage the trades on your behalf. We've got a pretty diversified portfolio of strategies, not only a diversification of instruments, but timeframes as well. We're trading Unorenko bars, range bars, minute bars. We're looking for the bots that can find the ebb and flow of the current trading environment and work their way to the top of our leaderboard. That's when they tap us on the shoulder and they say, hey, trade me. So starting the session off at the Asian Open, which was last night, let's take a look at the overall trading environment. The bots run right through the Asian Open. Here's July 1st. Through the Asian Open, then the London Open, and now we're getting ready for the New York Stock Exchange. And wow, you could see this huge leg up. My goodness, through the Asian Open, this thing took off. Huge move up. It started to retrace right about 9 o'clock to fill in that gap. But what a gap it was. Tremendous. Oh, this is gold. Excuse me. This was the price of gold. I saw it in the middle of the night take a huge long trade. This is the trade right here. And it went for a full winner for $1,000. So gold has been on the move big time overnight. Let's take a look at our NASDAQ and E-mini. July 1st. So with gold headed up, we kind of have an inverse correlation with the NASDAQ, which headed down. Our 50 EMA is red and sloping down. That's the NASDAQ on a 20U. We'll take a quick look at the ES30 range. And this is July 1st. Not many bars, very few bars. Not a lot of volatility whatsoever. Very choppy. Very choppy. The ES is very flat. So armed with that information, we see that we have a bot that's trading on gold that's up $1,600 in the overnight session and pre-market. We have our NQ Smart Stop 2 that's up 584. Moneymaker bot is up $180. The ES Smart Stop 2 120. We have a bot that's running on the 2-minute that's at $100, and the 8 Unorenco with its head above water at about $75. So what we do each morning is we trade our power play trade. We take one entry on our 30 range on the NASDAQ once it's in alignment with our 20 Unorenco. Here's our 30 range. We'll put it on the power play. And we're going to put the 20 Unorenco somewhere right up next to it. There it is. And once the market opens, we're going to let it settle down, see what the price action looks like. Hopefully it'll find a direction. And when we have an alignment of trend and market structure is in agreement on both the 20 Unorenco, which is our higher time frame, and the 30 range, we're going to look to take an entry on the NASDAQ. All right, there's the market open. Good luck, everybody. Let's get the trade copier up and going. Good morning, Rion Gambit. Thanks for joining us this morning. Getting a little bit of lag on my charts. I'm about 15 seconds behind. See, in the next few minutes we settle down here. I'm at 10 seconds, so it's coming back to normal. Slowly but surely. It is Tuesday, July 1st. Jerome Powell speaking at 9:30. Let me just take a peek at the Forex Factory. Final manufacturing, we have ISM and Jolts at 10. We got a shortened week, a shortened holiday week. 4th of July, Independence Day. On deck Friday. Now, the power play went long. I spoke to Sergio this morning. He has the update he's going to give me today that revamps the pivots to where the strategy will look at the same thing we see with 500 bars instead of a full day. You could see this entry right into resistance. This is what we're trying to avoid. Ninja hard codes their strategies to have a minimum of a 1-day look back. And for our pivots indicator, it's going to plot different pivots with only a 500 bar look back. So it bounced right off resistance and stopped out to power play. We sidestepped that one. So this afternoon, I will have that new update. I think it's going to make just a tremendous difference night and day. See if we get a break to the downside here. Starting to look just like yesterday. Keep an eye on this gold chart in the corner of my eye. Gold back in short. Got stopped out. Rouse said he made some really nice money on crude oil. Oh, look at crude. It's not like yesterday, is it, Rao? Yesterday was very choppy. Gold is number one on the leaderboard. Watch this break to the downside here. My momentum on my 20U is headed up, though. On my 30 range, it keeps retesting that area of support. My 15 EMA on my 20 Unorenko chart is sloped up. Oh, let me check that out, Judy. Thanks for sharing. Love when you post those pictures. Ah, beautiful. Okay, let's see if we can break this upside resistance. We're kind of chopping around in a very narrow range. If we got to wait it out till 10 o'clock, we will. We got a good catalyst report coming out at 10. It should be somewhat of a mover. Good morning, Khalil. Thanks for joining us this morning. All the big shots are already taking their 4th of July vacation down in the Hamptons. Let's see. Oh, yeah, we got two big reports coming at 10. 9:45 final manufacturing PMI. That's a low impact. Momentum is headed up on both charts now. Let's see if we can push. We got to push all the way through this top area here. Gold is in short. It's getting chopped to pieces right now on gold. Ah, let me drop the link. I forgot to drop the link this morning in Discord. The missing link. I like that. Okay, here we go. Uh, okay, power play just jumped in short. Again, into support. That's why I'm really looking forward to this new update. And if we get the break, it's a nice entry. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to move my target here. If we get this break, I want to be in on that move right down here. Come join us on YouTube. Good morning, Toby. This is tempting to enable it. Watch this. Watch the break of the down of support here. I'm going to anticipate the break. It's 9:43. Oh, put me in. Hmm. Yeah, it was a bad trade on my part. Not a great trade. Not a good trade on my part. Okay, the power play's down 350. Gold's up 1633. Gold is in this short move. Let's see if gold breaks that area of support. It's got some running room to the downside. Been on a huge tear to the upside. We're gonna have to sit tight till 10 o'clock. Oh, Dubai sounds great. You have to send us some pictures, Judy, in Dubai. That's beautiful. We've got a shortened holiday week. Just got a lot of a burst of volume. I saw my lagometer. It's 9:49 a.m. Eastern Time. See if we get a pop to the upside here. On my 20U, we've got one more little hurdle to clear here, and we've got some real room to the upside here. Get some buying pressure. Let's see if they can push it through. There's our compression zone. We need a pop out of the box. Got a lot of volatility building up. Here comes a pop. Here comes a pop. We're 10 minutes before the report. This thing could go all the way. Let's see if it breaks that upside resistance. This could have some legs right here. $9.51 or 9 minutes before the report. Powell can't say whether July is too soon to consider a cut. Nothing useful, no useful information there. Manufacturing PMI, 10 a.m. Jolts job openings coming up at 10. Price is testing this upside resistance. All right, 6 minutes, 6 minutes. Okay, we got 5 minutes. I'm going to take a very quick bathroom break. If you will, please excuse me. I shall return. Wow. Crude oil's in. Crude oil's in short on a 1 day pass. Excuse me for just a moment. Okay, I'm back. Crude's just waffling around. We got a bounce off resistance, came down and stopped us out on the power play. My power play bot, surprisingly, is at 305. We're going to take a look. Remember, it's leveraging that drone bot technology. I'm very curious to see where it moved the profit target. I always like to look at that every now and again. It tells you what the range of the market is. It does a really complex calculation of the best position, the best place to put your profit target based on the range of the market. So this bot that's up 300 has inputs that are optimizing, where the drone, the one that we're watching, is static. So right before the report's coming out in 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute we're going to get this news report. Let me get my lagometer up. With these news reports, those signal A entries with a lot of volatility seem to catch the really nice moves. But let's see what happens. 1 minute. 1 minute. There we go. Let's let it settle down. Did very nicely on lag. Jumped in short on the power play. Here it comes. Wow. Not a very big mover, let me tell you. Amazing. The number of job openings was little changed at 7.8 million in May. Little changed. We didn't really get much movement at all. Mm, 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 mm. Wow. I'm not sure what just happened on. Let's see if we get some follow through now to the downside. It's just a ranging, choppy market so far. Oh, got in the profit window. Let's take a look and see what the power play bought, where it changed the profit target to. I'm very curious. The power play bot came up to the top of my leaderboard with exception to gold. So the bot that dynamically changes the position of its profit target right now has the target at 50 ticks. Look at that. It put the stop to 32 ticks and the profit target at 50. If it goes 25 ticks, it goes to break even with this profit target window where it is. So it cut our profit target in half on the bot. Yesterday, that would have made a huge difference. That first trade, we were up 300. We would have got a full winner. So the range of the market, it's giving it a 50 tick profit target. Mathematically, that's where it's finding it has the best chance. Ooh, let me enable that. Very interesting. So the best position on this entry is to take profits at 250. Let's watch this trade. Let's see if it. This is a signal C. It says signal C short. Let's see if the P&L goes to 250. If it goes to 250, Interestingly, they moved the stop to just 32 ticks, so it's only risking $160 on these trades. So if it goes to minus 160, it's a stop out on the bot. Oh, that report was a dud. It didn't move anywhere. Here it comes. Let's see if it hits 250. Tell you, I'd be happy with 150 in this market. Here it comes too. Yep, the bot would have got a full winner on that at 250. Let's see if it gets in our profit window. Who knows? Maybe we get a sell-off here. .30 range smart velocity just came up on the leaderboard. Power play bot number 2. 30 range on the ES. On the board. Now David Wise is going to be coming up right behind me. Exit on the line change. That's what happened to us yesterday. So let me tell you, the bot that moved the profit target to 250 was right on. It would have got another full winner. We've got a lot of downside support. Upside resistance at 22,840, 839. We break that. Come on up. You know, oh, here we go. Let's get this break. The 15 is just crossing the 50 too. We've got resistance on both the 20U and the 30 range, right at about 2284, 2834, excuse me, 22834. Come on, let's go. Play the break. Come on, let's go. Oh, oh no, the lag. Whoa, we got a burst of volatility there. Hold on, hold on, hold on. We got a big spike of volume here, right at our level of resistance. Just a ton of orders came through. Let's play the break. I've got to break through this. Um, I don't want this entry until we break through it. Uh, I don't know. No real follow through. I like the potential signal A entry straight through that pivot, but there's just no momentum. ES on the 30 range. Those are in long positions. Let's take a quick look at the leaderboard of our Profit King, our $50,000 challenge. On Friday, July 11th, we're going to have a new winner. Katie won the first week. We've extended this second contest to go through July 11th because of the shortened week. So you've got plenty of time to get in. Let me see if I can, you'll have to excuse me here. On the right line funding, and I'm going to put the URL in the chat box. It's rightlinefunding.com. We have a prop firm. Our sister company is Right Line Funding, where you can get your $50,000 evals or go straight to sim funded. And we also have the 150K eval and straight to sim funded. We also have our Profit King Challenge, and we're going to give away cash prizes for the first 10 right now, for the first 10 first through 10th place. First through 10th place. It's $20 to enter. Look at this. Let's see if it goes to 250. Yep, it did. It went right back to 250 plus 250 on this trade. Profit window all the way. Getting a lot of selling pressure here. Are we too far oversold? We're right into support. Good volume, 2,000 contracts a minute here. Come on, retrace a little further. 2,500 contracts a minute, good volume. A lot of downside support. I just can't trade into that. Let's break through. We can't take the risk on an entry right here. Our software does a really nice job of defining risk. These blue lines, we can't take an entry into them. They could break through. But it's risky. Got the signal B entry. The 15 was actually above the 50, but they were both red and sloped down. My RSI line was pinned to the bottom. That's the signal B trigger. And it caught that full winner, nice and tight to the 50. So the entry fee on the Profit King Challenge is $20. $20. We're going to take a quick look at the leaderboard. Let's log in. Katie's on our leaderboard. KT is on the leaderboard. She's got $170. It's not an insurmountable lead by any means. But she walked away with a cool $1,000 last week, and she's on her way to doing it again if nobody jumps in and challenges her. She's got a good thing going over here. It's a good $20 investment. No, you're doing great, Katie. Keep up the great work. Let's see if we can break through all of this support here. We seem to have gotten some selling pressure. Let's stay on a little bit longer than normal. If we can break through this support, we might have some running room to the downside. We've got some selling pressure. My momentum is headed straight down on the 30, and it's pinned on my 20U. No, there's some more. There's other people, Mandinga, that just aren't on the leaderboard. Come on, let's go. Let's get this break to the downside. I'm going to anticipate the break. I'm going to go for it. Come on, let's go. Breakthrough. Come on, let's go. A little bit further. Bam, we're in. We are in. Come on down. Come on down. Don't come back on me. Ay, 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 ay. Come on down. Breakthrough. Come on. Some follow through the downside. Can't get any follow through. Boy, momentum went straight up on me on that 30. Boy, I'm in trouble. Oh, Lord. Mm. Come on down. Come back down. Come back down. Taking some serious heat. Come on down. Get back in this trade. Oh, man. Mm. Yeah, it got me. All right. I took two losers today. All right, everybody. I want to thank everyone for joining me today. David Wise is coming up right behind me. I took two losers, $300 apiece on each one of my PA accounts, negative 600 across three accounts. Um, it's been a tough week for me for Monday and Tuesday, three in a row. See you tomorrow, Rao. Okay, the power play jumped back in, but I'm not in on this one. This is the one that'll win, right? But let's watch it. There is some good selling pressure. Um, Unfortunately, not on the entry that I had. There was just no follow through. David Wise is coming up right behind me. And if you would, please like my video here on YouTube. It gives us some traction here on, get some new eyes on our products and services. God willing, we'll be back tomorrow. Same time, same place, same channel. Let's see if we can make some of this money back. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow. So long.